Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 67 Practice Set. Let's get into it. So we're going to be talking about geometric solids today, and it says use the name of the geometric solid to describe each shape. So this tent is actually what we would call a triangular prism. This funnel is a cone. This box is a rectangular prism, I believe. Or is it just a rectangular? Could be a cube. Either way, it says a triangular prism has how many of the following? So I'm looking at this. How many faces? So it has a front and a back. It has a side, and it has a bottom. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 faces. How many edges? So an edge is when two faces come together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I believe I have 9 edges. And vertices is a fancy math word for corner. So I have 1, 2, 3. There's another one in the back. 4, 5, 6 vertices. Draw a representation of each shape. Oh boy, so I know this is just a, and then we have a cylinder. That's not great, but it's what I can do. And then we have a rectangular prism. Best I can do. What three-dimensional figure could be formed by folding this pattern? So this is fairly common in geometry. This is called a net. And if we fold everything together, we're going to get a triangular prism. You kind of have to use the 3D portion of your brain, but let me know if you have any questions about that. And then it says calculate surface area of a cube whose edges are 3 centimeters long. So if I envision this, a cube, and of course I'm not going to draw it great, but all of the sides are going to be 3. It's a cube. So my surface area, and I have, let's see, sides or faces, I have 6. Front, back, top, bottom, side, side. Okay, so the area of one face is 3 times 3, which is 9. So the total surface area is going to be 9 times how many faces we have, which is 54. A flat triangular shape is pushed into clay. Flat triangular shape. Okay. The hole that is formed is filled with plaster. When the plaster hardens, the clay is removed. What is the shape? It's going to be a triangular prism. And it says if we refer to the faces of a rectangular solid as front, back, top, bottom, left, right, which face is parallel to the top? That's going to be the bottom. I think that's it. So if you have any questions, please let me know.